Stop wearing the same boring ponytail to school. It's 2026, and the clean girl aesthetic is evolving. Today, I'm showing you 10 Korean-inspired hairstyles that take less than 2 minutes but look like you spent an hour on them. So, grab your pins, your rubber bands, and let's get started. 1. For our viral inward flip, leave 2 front sections out to frame your face, tie the top into a half pony, and flip it inward through the gap. Then, gather the rest of your hair into a back pony and pull it through that top twisted section for a snatched, Pinterest-perfect finish. 2. Pull out a few face framing strands and start a small braid from the middle of each side. Gather the rest of your hair into 2 sections, braid them down on both sides, and then gently pull the loops to loosen them for that soft, voluminous look. 3. Split your hair into 2 back sections and braid each one tightly from the top down to the nape of your neck, securing them with rubber bands. Next, braid the remaining lengths all the way to the ends, roll them up into 2 cute space buns on top of your head, and secure them firmly with another band. Repeat this on both sides and finish with a ribbon for that perfect Pinterest aesthetic. 4. For a cute short hair look, grab the top section and secure it at the back with a rubber band, leaving the rest of your hair down. Create a viral bubble braid by adding more bands down the ponytail, then finish by tying a ribbon at the top for that perfect Pinterest aesthetic. 5. Tie the top section into a pony while leaving the rest of your hair down, then flip it inward. Now, take all the hair from one side and tuck it through the flip, then do the exact same on the other side. Finish by braiding the remaining hair into 2 sections and adding a cute bow at the top for that viral 2026 aesthetic. 6. For this intricate look, make 2 mini braids on the upper section of one side, then repeat the exact same thing on the other side. Next, create a braid using only the middle section of your hair at the back. Finally, gather everything together, including those mini braids, and braid it all down into one thick, voluminous style. 7. Leave a few strands out at the front to frame your face, then tie the rest of your hair into a ponytail and flip it inward. Next, split that ponytail into 2 sections and braid them both, finishing with a ribbon tie at the bottom of each for that perfect aesthetic touch. 8. Gather all your hair to the back into a sleek ponytail, then separate a small section from the bottom to make a single braid. Tie the remaining 2 sections into a neat bun and secure it firmly with a rubber band. Finally, take that bottom braid, wrap it around the base of your bun for extra detail, and pin it in place. 9. For a cute short hair look, leave a few strands out at the front and start a French braid on one side, weaving a ribbon into the strands as you go. Repeat the same process on the other side and leave the rest of your hair down for a perfect, effortless vibe. 10. Tie the top section of your hair into a ponytail and make a mini braid using just the top layer of that pony. Secure the braid and the ponytail together with a rubber band, then repeat this process 2 more times down the length to create a layered effect. Finish it off by tying a ribbon at the top for that viral Pinterest touch. If you made it this far, you're officially part of the aesthetic club. Subscribe for more 2026 fantastic hairstyles. Bye.